To find pre-made animated scenes or thousands of elements, go to the Templates tab. Use the filters to narrow results by category, file type, resolution, and free or premium content. Keep in mind, these templates are not pre-installed, so they won't take up space on your machine. When you find something you like, preview it and import it directly into your project. In Premiere Pro, you can predefine which video or audio track your content will be imported into. You can also browse and import sound effects to enhance your scenes. If the scene you've imported is a MoGart, you can customize it directly from the Properties panel.